Hi, I'm Márcio Fonseca, a machine learning engineer at the Brazilian Chamber of Deputies. In this video, I'm going to show an overview of how we are applying machine learning to improve transparency and citizen participation in our parliament. The Chamber produces a large amount of textual data including laws, bills, speech transcriptions, and research documents. It is important to have a cost-effective way to index this data for content organization and, in many cases, distributing the demands to the appropriate specialists. Using natural language processing algorithms, we built text classifiers that automatically identify the type of the text and also the main subjects that are addressed by the document. This is one example of how we use text classifiers to create new ways of delivering information in our web portal. We create this section called Themes that aggregates the textual information related to a specific subject such as economics, health, or education. This is the first step towards our goal to make content recommendations and adapt our website according to the user interests. We also integrate the API with our internal systems. In this case, Ulysses recommends the most likely related subjects as the user registers a new bill. These recommendations help to streamline the internal processes and also improve the quality of the data at the origin. Another important source of information we have is video content. Many internal processes such as speech transcription, TV broadcasts, and plenary operations depend on the information of the current speaker. We have working prototypes of face recognition pipelines that can identify multiple faces of deputies in the scene, even during live broadcasts. This solution will greatly reduce the costs of audio and video indexing that currently requires labor-intensive human annotation. Given the success of the first prototypes, we are testing end-to-end hardware and software solutions from the market that would allow us to scale face recognition to all plenaries. Finally, we are experimenting with new paradigms to interface with the citizens. One such example is the chatbot. The idea is to create a new interface to offer the same kind of information already available in our web portal, like MP's contact info and expenditures, but in this case, using a more natural conversational format. This is a quick demo of the chatbot. Let's say I would like to know about the MPs from the southern region. Nice, so Ulysses returns a list of deputies grouped by states and gives me a link to access them. Now, I would like to know about the MPs from the Federal District. And how about the female MPs? I can also query a specific MP. And I can access basic information such as expenses. But why do MP budgets exist anyway? Then Ulysses gives me a nice explanation for that. I would like to know how much Rodrigo Maia spent with travel in April this year. Makes sense? No expenses in April? And how about the expenses last month? Nice, so the expenses are presented here, July 2020. I can also ask for bills by Rodrigo Maia. There you go, so there's one bill in
2020. And of course, I can search bills for any other MP and also drill down by theme. So now I want to know about projects about education by Tabata Amaral. And here I can see a list of the most recent bills presented by Tabata. Okay, so let's thank Ulysses.
Thanks for watching.